Welcome to Coteria Solutions YouTube channel, where work is made simple. We help teams simplify, automate, and amplify their work.
How interior design agencies can collaborate better with Thryv. If you run an interior design agency, you already know that collaboration is the key to keeping projects on track. From brainstorming mood boards to managing client feedback, every detail matters, and the more team members involved, the easier it is for things to get lost. That's where Thryv's team collaboration features come in. Today, I'll show you how your interior design team can stay organized, share ideas, and manage client projects seamlessly, all in one platform. Let's dive in. Agencies often deal with multiple designers, contractors, and clients at once. Without a proper system, that means endless email threads, miscommunication, and wasted time. Thryv eliminates this by giving your entire team, designers, project managers, and even assistants, one place to communicate, share updates, and keep everyone accountable. Feature 1. Shared Team Inbox. Instead of multiple inboxes where messages get lost, Thryv lets your agency use a shared inbox. That means every client message, whether it's email, text, or chat, goes into one central place that your whole team can see and respond to. No more missed client updates. Feature 2. Task Assignment and Tracking. Projects have many moving pieces: sourcing furniture, getting contractor approvals, client revisions. With Thryv, you can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. Everyone knows what's due, and nothing slips through the cracks. Feature 3. Document Sharing. Need to share floor plans, color palettes, or contracts? Thryv allows you to store and share documents directly within the platform. No more digging through long email chains or hunting for attachments. Feature 4. Permissions and Roles. Interior design teams often include freelancers or assistants. With Thryv, you can control permissions so each team member only sees what they need to. That keeps client data secure while still making collaboration easy. Feature 5. Client Collaboration. And it's not just your team, clients can log into their client portal to view updates, approve designs, and send feedback. That means fewer approval delays and a smoother design process. Real example: imagine your team is working on a high-end living room renovation. Instead of sending 10 separate emails, your designer uploads the mood board directly into Thryv, assigns it to the project manager, and the client gets notified instantly. The client leaves feedback right in the portal. Everything stays in one place, no confusion, no delay. If you're an interior design agency looking to improve efficiency, reduce miscommunication, and wow your clients, Thryv's team collaboration tools can be a game changer. Start using Thryv today with the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Ready to take the next step? Visit us at coteriasolutions.com and let's unlock your business potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your team.